Right, Pythagoras theorem says the square and the hypotenuse here. So if I make a square out of that, area of that square and the hypotenuse is the same as these two squares added together. If I make a square out of this side, I make a square out of this. If I add the area of these two fields, it'll be equal to the area of this one. So this is 3 by 3, 9, 4 by 4, 16. If I add those two together, I'll get 25. I'll get the area 25. If I get the square root of 25, I'll get the length of this side here. The length of this side is 5. Alright, give you a slightly more difficult one. So using Pythagoras theorem, I'm going to say the length of this is 1. And the length of that side is also 1. So that's a 45-degree set square. So get the length of this side here. So the first thing you do is you make a square out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the area of this square? No, 1 by 1 is 1 centimetre. Squared. The area of this square, 1 by 1 also. Say it again there, Michael. Alright, if I add these two squares, I'll get the area of this square. What's 1 and 1? The area of this square here is 2. What's the length of this side? So that's the area, so it's the square root of 2. So the length of that area is the square root of 2. Square root of 2 is a third. It means a third is a number that you cannot easily write it as a fraction. For example, the square root of 2 is equal to 1.4142135662. You can't write that as a fraction very easily. Another third would be the square root of 3. And the third would be the square root of 5. Square root of 7, square root of 11. Right. So if I give you an example to do. The length of that side is 39. The length of the hypotenuse is 89. To get the length of this side. Obviously this is the hypotenuse, so this is the bigger field. So we go 89 squared. We square 89, 7921. So the area of this field up here, 7921. Get the area of this field here, 39 squared. 1521. Alright, so these two fields added together will give me this one up here. So how do I get the area of this field? Subtract. 7921 subtract 1521. So 7921. Okay, so 6400 to get the length of that, get the square root. 80. Length of that side is 80.